If the loan is less than $10,000, then no tax update. Capital gains only come into play if it is a capital asset. One Bitcoin is worth $39,984.70 in US dollars. Ask Roger. Hey guys, I'm Roger Herring. I'm the Investor's Accountant, and thank you for coming by our YouTube channel. Before you leave today, be sure you hit subscribe and click the bell. That way you won't miss any of our free educational videos. So right now, click subscribe, hit the bell, and a great video is coming your way. Hey guys, I'm Roger Herring. I am the Investor's Accountant, and it is great to be here with you today. You know, I tell my clients all the time, there are two goals as a real estate investor that you should aspire to. Two very important goals. The first is to be a real estate pro, and the second is to become an accredited investor. Well, let's go back to real estate pro. What is a real estate pro? Real estate pro is someone that has unlimited deductibility of their rental real estate losses. But Roger, I don't want to lose money. No, these are losses on paper, what we call phantom loss. And a real estate pro has the ability to have unlimited loss. How much can we create through different tactics? Yeah, and we can write it off against all of our other income. I have clients that legally have not paid taxes in years because they're real estate professionals. Okay? What do you have to do to get it? Well, the first thing that you have to do is spend more than 1/2 of your for-profit time in one of the real estate professions. What are they? Landlord, flipper, wholesaler, property manager, real estate agent, real estate broker, home builder. Any of those things work, or a combination of them will work. All right? What's the second requirement? 750 hours minimum spent in those professions. That's pretty easy. And oh, let me tell you, you have to be the owner of the business. You can't count time that you spend as a W-2 employee for someone else. You have to be the owner. Okay? Now, you've got your rental properties. There's one more hurdle that you got to make. Across all your rental properties, you have to prove that you materially participate. Now, there's about 12 different ways to do that. But honestly, the most common way that we do it is we make an election to combine all the rental properties together as a single business. And I only have to have 500 hours across all of my properties. My trade-off, unlimited deductibility, where the average landlord can only write off up to $25,000, and that is subject to income limitations. The real estate pro, sky's the limit, guys. All right, that's goal number one. Goal number two, to be an accredited investor. Well, what does that get you? That gets you access to private investments such as real estate funds and real estate syndications, and a wealth of other initial public offerings or initial offerings. You're able to invest in things that the general public cannot. It also gives you access to certain tax benefits. Let me give you an example. Here in Georgia, we have a thing called a film tax credit. Basically, it will allow you to cut your state taxes by 10%. All right, just to keep it simple. Different states have different things, but you have to be an accredited investor because you have to buy these things in large lots, like $25,000 to $50,000 at a time. Okay? So it's not something that the general public can participate in. How do you become an accredited investor? Very simple. You have to have a $1 million net worth, excluding the value of your primary residence. Okay? Excluding that because it's not liquid, it's not income producing. Now, if that doesn't work for you, there is a great big or. So it's $1 million net worth, or if you're single, an adjusted gross income on your tax return of $200,000 for the previous 2 years with the expectation that it will continue, or if you're married, $350,000 with the expectation that it will continue. Okay? That's it, guys. That's what you got to do to qualify. This is good information. I hope you will aspire to these goals. Until the next time, Roger out.